और सीधे रुक करेंगे इन्वेस्ट केरल ग्लोबल समिट 2025 का, जहां पर एप्सिस के एमडी करण अडानी संबोधित कर रहे हैं।
Honorable Chief Minister of Kerala, Shri Pinarayi Vijayan ji, Honorable Union Minister of Commerce and Industry, Government of India, Shri Piyush Goyal ji, esteemed ministers of present here, industry colleagues and distinguished guests. I'm honored to address this esteemed gathering at the Invest Kerala Global Summit 2025. Honorable Chief Minister, under your leadership, Kerala is undergoing a remarkable transformation. The state has emerged as a leader in ease of doing business and a global startup hub, a testament to your administration's vision. Beyond business, Kerala is a model for human development. The LIFE project has provided lakhs of houses for the underprivileged, and Kerala's disaster management capabilities are admired across India. Under Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision of Viksit Bharat, India is advancing towards unparalleled economic and infrastructural growth. A developed India requires strong regional economies, and Kerala is a prime example of how strategic investments can fuel progress. Kerala's global trade legacy dates back centuries. The ancient port of Mucheri was a vital hub connecting Rome, Egypt and China, making Kerala a center for spice and gold trade. Today, Vizhinjam continues this rich tradition, placing India at the heart of global commerce. At the Adani Group, we are proud to contribute to this new era. Our journey with Vizhinjam Port began in 2015 under the leadership of late Oman Chandi ji, and today, under Shri Pinarayi Vijayan ji's leadership, it is becoming a reality. Vizhinjam, which is strategically located along the world's busiest shipping lane, made history before commissioning, made history by docking the largest container vessel to ever touch Indian shore with a capacity of 24,000 containers. Adani Group has already invested 5,000 crores in Vizhinjam Port, and we are committing an additional investment of 20,000 crores. This is not only India's first transshipment hub, but our vision is to make Vizhinjam the largest transshipment port in this part of the region. Further, we will be expanding the Trivandrum International Airport from 4.5 million to 12 million passengers with an investment of 5,500 crores. We will also be setting up an e-commerce hub in Cochin and also increase our cement capacity in Cochin. In total, the Adani Group is going to invest 30,000 crores in the next 5 years in the state of Kerala. In the words of our chairman, Shri Gautam Adani, the infrastructure sector is all about building assets for the nation and nation building. Kerala is emerging as a model of development and progress, and we at Adani Group are honored to be part of this journey. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Shri Karan Adani, for the continued investments that you've been doing in the state of Kerala to propel us into our path of progress. Before we progress to our official vote of thanks, I'd like to take a moment to request our Honorable Chief Minister to present a token of our appreciation to all the dignitaries on stage. We'll be presenting a memento on behalf of the Government of Kerala to all the dignitaries on stage, starting with the Honorable Union Minister of Commerce and Industry, Shri Piyush Goyal.